Hello grade ones and welcome back. My name is Robin and I will be your teacher today. Today in numeracy we are going to be learning about number names. So this means that we are going to be learning about how to write the number in words. So let's start with a fun activity. We are going to play number bingo. I am going to circle a number on the screen and I want you to shout out the number. This is going to help us practice hearing the number names so that we can practice out writing them just now. So let's begin. Again, I'm going to circle a number from 1 to 20 and I want you to shout out the number and repeat it after me. So let's begin. 3, 7, 10, 1, 12, 14, 5, 6, 13, 8, 16, 2, 4, 15, 17, 18, 19, 9, 11, and 20. Very good work, grade ones. I hope you could hear that when we are saying the words or the names of the numbers, that some of them sound the same. So we are going to practice writing them to help us remember and to improve our spelling. So let's practice. We are going to use the word bank to help us. So we will look at the number on the side and then use the word bank to help us write it in words. So the first one has been done for us. Let's look at the next example. The next number is number 4. So we are going to look in the word bank. We can start on the top line and work our way down to see if we can find the word 4. When you see it, I want you to shout, stop. Stop! I can see it over here. So we are going to write it nice and neatly in our box. Good work. Let's have a look at the next number. It is number 6. So again, we can start at the top of our word bank until we find the number 6. So let's look. Stop! I can see it over here. So let's write in number 6. Nice work. Let's look at our next number. It is number 8. So again, we can start at the top and look through the word bank. This word looks similar. I see 8, but I also see more of the word, so it says 18. Not quite. So let's keep going. Stop. I see it over here. The word 8. So let's write the word next to the number. Good. Let's have a look at the next example. The next number that we have to write in words is 2. So let's again use our word bank to help us. we can actually cross out the words that we have used already. So it's 4, 6, and 8. So now we're looking for number 2. So we're going to start at the top again. Let's look. Stop. I see it over there. So let's write it in words. And our last example is 12. So you can hear that 2 and 12 sound quite similar. So let's have a look if we can find them, the word 12 in the word bank. So let's have a look. You can start at the top. Stop. I see it over here. 12. So let's write the word out. Really great work, grade 1s. Now we can do a fun activity to also help us practice writing out the numbers in words. So let's have a look. Over here we can see some pieces of Lego and Smarties. I have put them into groups or into numbers so we can count them to find out how many is in each group and then practice writing the number name. So let's have a look at this example over here. How many Smarties can you see? Very good. I can see 3. So 1, 2, 3. And let's practice writing the number and the name. So we can see that there is 3 Smarties. And if we practice writing the name, it will look like that. Very good. Now let's have a look at another example. If we look at the Smarties on the top here, how many Smarties can you see, grade 1s? Well done. You can see 6 Smarties. So let's practice writing the number and the name. So we will have, I'll just move the Smarties up so we have space to write. We will have 6 Smarties, and let's write the number name. There we go. Now let's look at our last Smartie example. We can see that there are quite a few Smarties over here. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can see that there are 13 Smarties. So let's write that in numbers. It would be a 1, 3 for 13. And let's write the number name. Now let's have a look at our pieces of Lego. Over here we can see that there are quite a few pieces of Lego and each block has 4 pieces. So let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 blocks of Lego. So let's write the number. Now we are going to write the name. So let's write 6, 16. So there we have the number and the number name. So if you have a look at the Smartie example over here, we can see that we have 6 Smarties and over here we have 16 pieces of Lego. So you can hear, grade 1s, that these number names sound quite the same, but that the Lego example has more pieces. And when we add the teen, that means that there is a 10 added to it. So if we want to see there, that actually means 10 and a 6. There we only have 6 pieces. There we can see we have 10 plus an extra 6. So that would give us 16. Now let's have a look over here. We are now going to practice the numbers next to the words. So they have now given us the number name and they want us to write the number next to it. So let's see, the first example was 11 and they wrote it out in numbers. The next one is 1. So let's write the number 1. The next one is 3. The next number name is 8. So let's write the number 8. Remember grade 1s, I want you to try and practice saying the number names with me as we go through the examples. Let's look at the next one. 5. 2. 18. 10. 6. 9. 4. And 12. Super work, grade 1s. Let's carry on practicing some more activities. So we are now going to match the number symbols to the words. So we can see that we have the numbers on the left-hand side over here. And we can see that we have the number names on the right-hand side. And they now want us to match the numbers to the number names. So I want you to grab a ruler for this activity and we are going to do it together. We can see that the first example has been done for us. Let's look at the next number. So the next number is number 6. So we have to look on the right-hand side for the number name 6. Can you see it? Very good. I can see it over here. So we are going to draw a line to join them. Let's have a look at the next one. Our next number is 2. So let's have a look on the right-hand side. Can you see number name 2? Yes, very good. So we are going to join them. Our next example is 5. Can you see it on the right-hand side? Great work. Let's have a look at our next example. It is 14. So we are going to draw. Let's have a look at the next one. It is 20. So we look for the word 20 and I see it over there. Going to draw a line. The next one is going to be number 7. So draw a line from 7 to the word over there. The next one is 11. And our last example is 1. There we go. Now that we have matched all of the numbers to the number names, we can see that it just takes some practice for us to get used to writing the numbers with their number names. A fun way for us to do this is like we did with the Smarties and the Lego pieces. So if you have Smarties at home or any other fun or exciting toys that you can use them to put them into numbers and you can practice writing those numbers into number names. Thank you so much for joining me today, grade 1s. I hope you learned something new and exciting. Don't forget to go and practice some more examples today at home. Until next time, thank you very much and goodbye.